Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page on Weebly. First, go and log into your account and click on the Edit Site button at the top right. Once inside the editor, on the upper ribbon, go to Pages, then click on the plus sign button to add a new page. Now, choose Standard Page. For my landing page, I want to call it as Get Started. And as you can see, it will be shown to my navigation menu. So now, you can go and edit it by clicking on Build at the upper ribbon, where you can go and drag in different elements to your liking. For example, I'm gonna edit the text here. Then, you can also change its alignment. After that, you can add another text, where you can go and change the font and the size of it. Now just go and type in whatever you want for your landing page, like a call to action for it if you'd like to. Then you can also add in a button. Then for here, just click on it. You can change the text. For here, I will type in join us now as a call to action. Then you can also go and change the button style if you'd like. Also its position, the link. So I will go and link it to a standard page, which is services. Then you can also change its spacing. Now, if you want it to be a starter for your website, you can go to pages. Then in here, just drag in your landing page at the top so that it will be the one that the customers will first see when they view your website. And that's just basically it. That's how you create a landing page on Weebly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.